taking a deep inhale. Slowly taking another deep inhale, expanding the abdomen, filling the lungs all the way. In yoga, whenever we pronounce a mantra, we also want to do so remembering what is its inner meaning. The mantra Om is known as the soundless sound. Why the soundless sound? It represents the root vibration, the source vibration from where all other energies and vibrations in the creation arise, is represented through the mantra Om. So what is that one indivisible reality, constantly at work behind all the appearances of nature? That is the mantra Om. And it is similar to water. What is the work of water? The flexibility of water. You put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bowl, it becomes the bowl. You put water into a square, it becomes a square. You put it into a circle, it becomes the circle. Yet always, the nature of the water doesn't change. The substance of the water remains the same. In exactly the same way, everything in the universe is just one essential substance, but manifesting in millions of different forms. Knowing that, naturally, you are without conflict within yourself. That is the inner meaning of Om. Finally, taking a final inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste, everyone.